Hi friends. Stress is the major parameter today. I think you won't be able to find a single person who is not stressed little bit. So all of us are stressed because of lot of things which are going around, and based on our family issues, based on our work job satisfaction issues, and there are a lot of issues which makes us stressed, more and more stressed day by day. So I think many times you'll be thinking that there must be a device, that device should be able to measure the stress level. So for example, like we have SpO2 detection sensors now, and we have thermometers. Likewise, there must be a sensor which should be accurately able to measure the level of stress in your mind. So I am damn sure that you would have thought about that one. But now that is the solution actually. So what we have made is, we have made a skin conductance based stress analysis tool. So it's a handheld portable device. So I'll show you. So this is a handheld device. I hope it's clear to you. In this there are two batteries, so we have given two charging ports. So two charging ports, from this you can charge the phone. I hope you can see the charging ports, and there is a there is a red switch. That switch is just to power on this one, and these are the probes that you have to wear in the finger, so you will be able to get the reading correctly. Hope it's clear to you. Now we'll have a look whether how it works actually, and how it's useful in our life. So you can see that there is a diagram here, skin conductance stress analysis tool, that I have made it. So in this you'll find that there are so many stressors means the factors which create stress or which enhance stress. So for example, job satisfaction issues, and dangerous work environment, discrimination and fear of termination. So these are few points which accelerate the level of stress, because stress is actually present and we are just accelerating it. But still, these are the stressors. So work stressors are there, and at the same time life stressors are also there. These are too heavy of the stress level which we are facing right now. So there are many things like death of close one, divorce, illness or injury, financial obligations, moving to a new home, disasters. So these are the life stressors. So these are different type of stressors. Mainly these two are the factor which affect maximum to us. This device we can identify that how much amount of stress is there, and based on that I'll just show you that how the stress can be reduced also, at least in real time. So now what I did, I wore the sensor in my hand. So you can see that this is the your skin conductance device, stress level device identification, and in this finger we have this type of probes. So that probes we are connecting in the finger like this. There should be a proper skin conductance. It means it should be able to connect to your skin properly. So what we are doing is, it has two types of outputs. Outputs in the sense means you can see the output in the form of graphical form. For that you have to connect the whole system with the computer screen, so you will be able to see the graph in the computer screen in real time. And we also have this one, we have wireless output also. Wireless output means from in your Android mobile phone you can see that what all the things are happening in real time. That both the things I'll show you right. To do so, what we have to do, we have to connect our computer screen with this device. So for this device we have a connector port here. You can have a look here. In the connector port we have to connect this wire which is connected to our computer. Okay, now this is connected. Then we have to power on this switch. Now we'll start our software. So the software which we use to see the graph is Arduino Plot. We'll go to tools and we'll go to serial plotter. So a serial plotter will plot the current status of my stress level. Right now it's showing 202.5. This is just minor stress. I have minor stress, might be because of recording this video and I have a flight to catch, so maybe because of that. So I have a minor stress right now. Since I am little relaxed, the stress level will go down, so I don't have any stress, so it's coming no stress. It means it's very light, or you can say that the point is very low. And once, what will happen, once you wear this sensor, you will find that after some time the stress level will be like, you should not immediately find the value. Like when I connected, the value was around 200 203 like that, but now the value is keep on decreasing. So as you feel yourself comfortable, you will find that the stress will be reducing, and after some 5 to 6 minutes, not 5 to 6 minutes, around you can see that this 0 to 100 represents the samples, how many samples it's taking. So around after 100 samples, you will find that that what value you are getting, that is your actual stress value. So you should at least wait for till this 100 samples. So 100 samples means what, 100 times it's checking your stress value. So we should wait for some time till 100, and then it will show you the exact value of stress. Okay, so 100 samples are over. Now you can see that you will be able to find that this is the actual level of stress for me, and this might be very low. This is low very much because I think I just got up before half an hour, so till now there is no stress of the day. So as the day stress will be keep on coming, it might increase. But till even yesterday also I checked that almost same value was coming for me, but for other people the values are very high. Then I checked with some kids also, like for small kids this value is coming around 180 for me. So it was coming around just in double digits actually, like 50, 60, 70, less than that even for kids, because I think that they are not stressed. Now what we have to do is, I will just show you that how we can prove that this device works perfectly is, you can see that when I will breathe heavily, this stress level will go further down. This, just watch it carefully, because this is the graph, this is plotting in real time. When I will take a deep breath, you will find that the stress will be coming down. So you can see that now the value has come down to around 145 from 180. So this is true. It is proved that that if you are breathing heavily, the stress will be coming down. Even I tried with listening songs, then I tried with a lot of other things. I'll show you those graphs as well. So have a look. Okay. So this was the graph. When I took that, initially what was there, this is that GSR initial start, means initially that was daytime. So that daytime in the sense a workload was there. So that time around it was coming around 225 for me, and then some people came in between when I was wearing this sensor, then this kept on increasing. Now after that what happened, till here I was talking with one person, so it kept on increasing. When the person went, I tried to reduce this one stress by just calming down myself. So that one is this one is GSR value when I tried to calm down by listening music. So I just started the music and I tried to listen that one. So it reduced the stress to a little bit lesser value. Then this is what, but once I left that, I off the music, again it started to accelerate. So in this GSR value, when I stopped music, this is increasing value of stress. Now next is what, next is your this green color. Yes, here only I took the deep breath, like I did in real time. No, that same way I breathed deeply, then that time this started to reduce very heavily. So it started to reduce. Then GSR value after deep breathing, it maintained to this position, means the stress was this one, but after deep breathing it came to this one. It means that deep breathing actually works, and After that my this value was like continuation of this one. Same way I tried with sleep also. When I just got up from the sleep and then I took the stress value, that time when I just got up from the sleep, this one around 2:20 it was there. Actually it was not, it was a day sleep around 3 o'clock daytime, not night sleep. Night sleep means it will be further less. So it was, then it was like this only. Then slowly, when as the effect of sleep started to reduce on my mind, that stress started to accelerate, because I started to remember that I have to do this work, I have to complete this work, I have to move there, I have to call somebody. So those stresses were there. Yeah, I understand that is a minor stress, but the values are also minor. It's slowly increasing. So it kept on increasing as the effect of sleep reduced in my mind. Okay, now I'll show you the wireless output. Wireless output in the sense, what we have to do, we have to start our Android application. I will start it. So right now you can see that it's showing no stress. I'll increase the volume because volume is also there.
Stress. No stress. No stress. No stress. No stress.
I'll show you this in real time also.
No stress. 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 No stress.
So 170 is coming for me here.
No stress. No stress. No stress.
And you can see in the graph also 170 plot is coming.
No stress. No stress. No stress. No stress. No stress.
And this audio is also coming, so you can listen. No stress, no stress, it's speaking. Now if I breathe little faster,
No stress. No stress. No stress. No stress. No stress. No stress.
when I breathe, the value reduced, and at the same time this also is reducing. Now when I remove this sensor from my hand, what will happen?
No stress. 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 No input.
Now one wire I have
No
removed.
input. No input. No input. No input. No input. No
So there is no input.
no input.
Now what I will do,
input.
if some other person wears this value, and in that case what will happen, there will be different value of stress. Now that green color represents there is no stress value, and this white color represents that there is no input. Now I will wear this sensor again and see any changes are coming or not.
High stress. High stress. Minor stress. High stress. Minor stress.
Okay, so while you are wearing, it will give you the wrong reading because it's not properly connected.
No stress. 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 Minor stress. Minor stress. No stress.
So you can see that minor stress and no stress is coming because I tried to take tension about something, and so it's increasing. So it's very accurate. Even if you are thinking differently, it will give you the different readings. So that was it. With this, I think it's very clear to you that this device is very powerful, and as well as at the same time it's very accurate. It can give you the correct reading of the stress level what you are facing right now. If you want to get more information about that one, you can send a mail to me, or you can send a comment. You can put a comment in the YouTube. I'll answer that one.